Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to use insert parameters in test cases. Let's go to test plans, click on new test case, give a name for the test case. I name it as verify search categories. Now let's add test steps. First step is open Google search page. Expected result is Google text search bar and search buttons should be visible. Second step, type text on search bar. Expected result should be able to add text to search bar. Okay, let's open Google page and type tree and click on Google search. In this test case, we are going to verify each of these categories. Let's go back to the test case. You saw we have to verify multiple values using this test case. In such scenarios, we can use insert parameters. Let's add our third step. Verify parameter and name it as search category. Visible in search page. Expected result, all the categories should. Now you can see there's a section called parameter under the test steps. Click on parameter values. Then you can see the parameter name we have given above. Now we can add categories here. Images. Click on enter. Now add the second category. Now enter again. Okay, likewise you can add multiple values as a search category. Our test case is ready. Click on save and close. Now we can run this test case. Go to execute, select the test case and run for web application. Okay, let's start testing. We go to the first step. It says open the Google search page and verify Google text search bars and search button exist. We mark it as pass, and then it says should be able to add text to the search bar. Let's mark it as pass. And then it says search category, verify search category visible in the search page, and it says search category value is images. Let's mark it as pass. Now you can see there's a next button in the top right corner. Click on that. Now you see search category value has changed. Search category value is equal to drawing now. You can test this scenario as let's say all the steps are okay. Let's mark all the test steps as pass, and again you can see the next button. Click on the next button and you can see now search category value equals to videos. You can mark this as pass test case, and finally we can save and close. Now you have learned how to use insert parameters within test cases. Likewise, you can use insert parameters in test steps to test multiple values. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Join with me in next video. I will show you how to use shared steps in the test cases.